Hi there! Welcome to the AI Screenwriter Suite, where your stories take shape. I'm Imogen, your friendly AI voice agent and personal writing assistant. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can begin to create a compelling screenplay. Unlike other AI voice agents, I will prompt you to share your ideas, and then we can work together to expand them into a fully formed first draft. I'll help you craft a compelling 3-act structure through natural conversation. You can also use any other screenplay plotting structure of your preference, like Save the Cat or something else. I have been trained on all sorts of data across the world, so feel free to ask any number of questions about your plot or characters or anything else that comes into your mind. Ready to get started? To get started, just click on Imogen under the Modules section in the menu on the left side of the page. Alternatively, you can access Imogen from the dashboard. Once inside, to speak with Imogen, simply click on the Talk to Imogen button with a telephone icon on it. Or, if you would prefer to interact through text, then just click on Start a New Project, Start a New Screenplay, or I Have an Idea for a TV Show buttons below. Now that we are chatting with Imogen in the basic text interaction, we will start with the genre of the story you are working on. Or, if you aren't sure what genre your story is, then you can just begin explaining the story you want to tell, and we can figure out genre later. You can be as specific or vague as you want. I will prompt you with some follow-up questions so we can delve deeper into your story idea. If you don't want to wait, or if you don't feel like taking your time, feel free to copy and paste any outlines you may have to give us a good place to start. Conversely, if there is something that I write that you like, you can also copy and paste from any part of the chat and refine your ideas from there. If you don't feel like typing, you can click on the microphone icon and I will transcribe whatever you say. Make sure you have your microphone plugged in and that you have allowed access while using the site. As an example of copy and pasting from the chat, let's take some of these potential development areas and bring them down into the prompt. This way I can focus on the elements you think are important, and I can help you build out these areas. There are infinite ways you can expand on and refine your idea, whether it is adding emotional depth, character developments, or developing specific scenes. I believe it's always good to stay positive and mind you manners, but it's not required. After you are finished developing your ideas with the Imogen module and you want to start to develop your screenplay, you can find the transcripts of your previous conversations on the transcripts page in the Files section, or you can also access it from the dashboard. When you are inside your transcripts page, you can select your transcript from the list and click here to rename it, so you can quickly locate it, then press Enter or click away to save it. On the right-hand side, you can review your transcript, and when you are ready, simply click on Generate Outline and Character Sheet. This will turn the transcript of your conversation into an outline and character sheet for your story. After about a minute, give or take, you will have generated a full outline and character sheet for your story based on the transcript provided. Under the Screenplay heading, you can see the status of your idea. The system will tell you that your outline is ready. For example, Mind Your Manners already has a full first draft available. In this section, you will be able to track your progress from outline to first draft. From this page, clicking Generate Outline from Transcripts will take you back to the Transcripts page, but when you are ready to start generating your first draft, just click on the pencil icon and it will bring you to the First Draft Generator. Here you can rename your project whatever you want. For this example, we will just copy-paste the title from the outline, but you can name it anything you like. In the section below, you can review and edit your outline and character sheet. Make sure to read through your documents to confirm there isn't anything we missed, or if there are any other last-minute changes you want to make before moving on to the next step. When you are done editing, you can click the Save button to save any changes you may have made to both documents. If you want to work on another project, you can select a different outline file from this drop-down menu, or if you already have an outline and character sheet for your story, and you want to skip the earlier steps, you can click Create New First Draft. But for now, let's work on Echoes of Imogen. Once you are ready, click the Generate Scene Breakdown button. This process will take a minute or two, so you may need to refresh the page, or you can check the status of your project in the Outlines page. Once the scene breakdown is ready, you will see the status change to Scene Breakdown Ready. By clicking back on the pencil icon, it will bring you back to the first draft generator, where you can review your scene breakdown. At the bottom of the page, click the Generate First Draft button, and I will get started generating a full first draft of your story. This process can take from 10 to 15 minutes, so grab a coffee or a cup of tea and sit back and relax. Or if you are still feeling creative, you can start the whole process over and start working on another screenplay right away.